This 2025 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte 25 BHHL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 33 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, TV, slide-out, smoke detector, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, stovetop burner, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte 25 BHHL is 6,898 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.